The Callum Skye electric coupe is the first all-new vehicle from renowned designer Ian Callum. This 2+2 coupe blends supercar aesthetics with all-terrain swagger, making it a unique offering. The Skye is compact, all-wheel drive, and electric-powered. The compact, all-wheel drive, electric-powered Skye is primarily designed to be a recreational off-roader, but Callum plans to offer a street-legal version configured as a stylish city car. This newly revealed Skye prototype shows what that version, dubbed the Dynamic, will look like. Its muscular design is both eye-catching and functional. With a dual-motor electric powertrain delivering 300 horsepower, the Skye boasts a 42 kilowatt-hour battery for a 170-mile range. An optional advanced battery offers ultra-fast charging, reaching full charge in under 10 minutes. The Skye is expected to weigh less than 2,600 pounds and be able to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 4.0 seconds. The fully independent suspension will be able to be ordered in two specifications, one aimed purely at delivering ultimate off-road performance, and the other tuned for optimal ride and handling on paved and unpaved roads. To make the Skye fully street-legal, partial cycle guards will be fitted over the front and rear tires. The guards will be black and mounted to the suspension so they move with the wheels. Inside, the Skye exudes luxury with Arctic Pearl semi-aniline leather and vitamin C orange accents. The sport seats and removable bench offer versatility, while analog instruments add a bespoke touch. The interior is both simple and high quality, as Callum emphasized. Customers can choose between off-road or street-tuned suspension. Limited to 50 units annually, the Skye's price ranges from $100,000 to $140,000, reflecting its exclusivity and craftsmanship. In 2025, Callum will unveil the rugged, capable Skye model, featuring durable materials for enhanced off-road performance. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.